normal loading, normal loading, normal loading. Just put it in normally and it's fine. Put more clothes on small ones. Put less clothes. Just put it on the 7th floor. Just fill up 6 layers and 7 layers. Leave some space above. Let's continue to look closer. Look closer and look less than half of it now, right? Keep pretending to look inside. Keep installing it inside and spread it out. If it is normal to spread it out and then let it go. Is this flat car? Is it better to have a pound of clothes per square car? This basket of clothes is packed with a bottle of clothes. If there is a down jacket here, put less. Because the down jacket will flutter when it is dry inside. Yes, this bottle of car clothes. This one is 18 caddies. Okay, close the door. Automatic program generation. If you want to add a repository, if you don't want to add the retention program 2, or you can use the program 3. Do you think you want to stay or not? Don't leave more. No additional retention start, okay? Now I'm using the number 1 program. Use box 1. Box 1 if you want to distillate, you don't want to distillate. Use program 3 to avoid distillation. After washing, the oil will be returned directly after washing. The next machine can also wash the dark color, and then if the next machine can also wash the dark color, if some wash the light color, we use number 2 oil. Oil in box 2. Box 1 oil can be washed continuously with 1 machine and 2 machine dark clothes. 3 machines of dark clothes can be distilled once again after washing them. But this box 2 is different. Box 2 is always oily and clean. It does not allow oily and astringent inside. It's okay to have oil in box 1. Wash dark colors. The oil in box 2 must always be clear. There must be pigments. He wants to wash the pure white ones. We went straight to the distillery. Box 1. Under normal circumstances, box 1. He first carried out volume refrigeration. Now it's volume flushing. Because the oil temperature is very low now. Now the oil temperature is only octave. No volume refrigeration required. If it's summer. He cooled the oil to about 20 degrees first. Of course, this temperature can be set. Set it yourself. It can be adjusted here. The volume temperature can be set to 20 degrees. Or 30 degrees. If you want to cool down, set it lower. If you don't want to cool down, set it higher. Now it's time to rinse the cloth directly in solvent. Oil inlet. Now I use a box of oil. A box of oil is a little less. What should I do if a tank of oil is a little too little? You can pump 2 or 3 boxes of oil. Go back to manual. Press the door lock and press the door lock. Press the door lock. Press the door lock. You click him and it will be opened. Directly click on the main menu to confirm. Manual meal and clothing door lock. Door lock first, door lock 3-in-1. Cook all the 3 boxes of the oil here just now. After finishing, wash in a box. His oiling time is 90 seconds. He has no oil in the box 1 now. Not from box 1 now. Now not in box 1 now. What is now from inside the roller to enter the leaf from the roller? Small cycle and then to the roller is called small cycle. Box 1 takes a small cycle. Box 2 takes a big cycle. Now is a small loop. Then rinse. Rinse small cycle washing. In the case of a lot of clothes like this, try to wash with high pressure. Just dry the tank oil. Wash with high pressure. After washing, remove the fluff and dust on the clothes. When washing dark clothes, don't put too much clothes. The hair on it cannot be removed after it is too full. After you turn around, it takes labor to get rid of hair. Right. Try to leave some space for him. If too much is put, too much hair will appear. Like the ones I put in less clothes now. Then his hair can be cleaned. Can clean the dust and fluff. Flush it clean. This program 1 now has no filter. For program 1 now does not go through the filter. Program 2 goes to filter. Program 1 doesn't go to filter. What does his fluff rely on at this time? The new hot collector at the back. And the collector behind to filter the green hair. Okay, let's take a look at the continuous drying. This is the second season of continuous dry cleaning clothes. This season is full of load stinking. Take a look at the current temperature. Just started drying. Now the temperature is dark. Okay, let's take a look after 10 minutes. This is a full load, it's super full, it's full of clothes, it's first. Let the pot first. Come, open the door, take out the clothes, see if there is any hair, see if the hair is clean. Very good, right? Mao Xiao is. There are really not many hairs. Washing dark clothes is to control the amount of hair and control the fluff on it. The best way to do this is to save trouble after you come out. Yes, this little hair, not a few hairs, a little bit. Right. There are a few hairs, which is much less than before. Why separate the black and the white ones? It's because I'm afraid of getting hairy. He has little hair and a little red one. Red is fast, red is fast. He can't blow his hair even if he doesn't want to do it. Yes, it's fast and it's hairy. Okay, I won't talk about this episode again. Go back aside. Let's have another episode.